Today I just want to talk about food insecurity. It doesn't take much to ensure that you have food to eat. Now, I have some seeds. As you can see, I have it wrapped in a little hand towel that I've dampened. So the hand towel is still damp. And this has been in here in the sunroom. So it's in my sunroom. So it's warm in here. I covered it up with this little pan because I want it dark, and and the temperature is warm in here by choice. So if you look and see, this is my new garden. These are seeds, and you can see that it's already sprouting. I'm going to stick these in the soil. These are something that will produce for me in about probably about 60 days at the max. This is squash. And of course, over here, I have cucumbers. And you can see that they are a little bit slower at opening, but they're beginning to open up, as you can see right there. There we go. I'm gonna plant these in the ground, and this should carry me all the way till fall. And then I'm gonna do it again. So it takes just a little bit to sprout your own seed. You can do this with just about anything. You have some bell peppers, you pull the seed out. Don't dry them out, keep them damp, keep them in a dark place. And of course, as you can see, I put them in a Ziploc bag to keep the temperature high, to start it to germinate, and plant. You don't have to buy seed. Most fruit, tomatoes, cucumbers, squash have seeds already in them. Papaya, strawberry. It don't cost money to have a little garden, and you don't have to have a big space. I actually have, you probably see, a very small yard, but in it, that's a little yard. I don't have a really big yard. Herbs, I have a moringa tree, I have a gabbana tree, I have a soursop, I have dragon fruit, I have blackberries, I have blueberries, I have things that are already productive. So take a little bit of time while you're at home. You can start this with your children, but plant something, grow something. Learn how to be a little bit more self-sufficient so you don't have to always run to the grocery store for this item or that. Just food for thought. Okay, so I'm gonna show you, I just took the lid off, or the top portion off, so that this is going to be my container. At the bottom of this, I just puncture some holes for drainage, okay? As a filter, I'm recycling everything. Everything's for free. This paper, any type of paper. And I'm going to fill the bottom of this container. We're gonna fill it up with soil, and I'm going to start my soil. Okay, I'm gonna start this out here underneath the tree. I'm going to dampen the soil, and I'm gonna leave inside the little paper, I'm going to leave these seeds. So the paper is going to be food also. And we're going to, about an inch or so. Okay, so this is probably 3/4 of the milk container full. I've opened up the paper, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 seeds. Plenty for a single person. And then I'm gonna cover this up. About an inch of soil on top. I'm going to add some water, nice and slowly. It's very humid here in Florida, and I need the humidity in here. Now, for the first couple of days, I didn't throw away the top portion. I am going to place it on top. I want it dark for just a little bit more. And in about 2 more days, I'm going to take this off, and I shall have squash for the year. Yay, all free.